So I'm gonna make a game that's gonna start off as a text-based adventure. I don't know what it's gonna end up as. I'm just gonna start making videos and keep adding to this game. Feature creep galore. Feature creep? Feature creep. You know, when you keep adding stuff and it gets out of hand. I'm gonna call it Escape from Tesco Car Park. I'm gonna make this, really relate to the audience in Rush. So, like every adventure, it starts off. I'm gonna rip off the Elder Scrolls, and you're gonna be like a prisoner. I don't know why, but it's always like, "Hello there, prisoner." So, I'm gonna say, print. You see a town guard. No, wait. Tesco security guard. Guard. Approach you. What is your name in capitals? Well, what is your name? And I'm going to make that as like a little input. So instead of printing it, I'm going to turn that into an input, and I'm going to stick it in a little box called name. You know what? I'm not going to use name because I'm going to use namey. Every time I use a sensible word in Python, it turns out to be a keyword and I break the game. Like, I don't know, maybe I'll actually want to print something in the game and then it breaks it because print means something else in Python. Right, so namey. Namey equals input. What's your name? And then you get to choose your name in the game. And then the guy says, namey, whatever your name is. Right, so I'm going to print that, whatever you say back. And then like question mark. What are you from? Where is it? Lusk? With a name like that? I don't know. Whatever your name. Well, it was either Rush, Scaries, or Lockshitty, so, and this Lusk is easier to spell. Yeah. There we go. What are you from? Lusk. There you go. So it's printing this, comma, and this. Now I could use the plus sign to add those up, but then I have to make sure that's a string and that's a string. So I'm going to not do that and just use a comma. Which is fine. It would have worked either way, but grand. At this point, I've done a lot of things and I haven't tested it, so always test. I should really be doing testing after every line. I'm pretty sure. Oh, I have to give it a name. Okay. So yeah, I'll pop it here into Coding Club and call it Tesco RPG.py. Grand. It runs. You see a Tesco security guard approach you. What's your name? Murray McFlurry. Murray McFlurry. What are you from? Cool. Right. So yeah, that's the first part of your game.